We have seen what has happened immediately after the incident in Kashmir. Lots of lynching were happening across the nation against Kashmiris. And that was the time when our governor of Meghalaya tweeted this. When there is a terrorist attack there, the nation's fight is against the terrorists, not against the community or the people. It's very clear. Now, will such people, like the governor of Meghalaya, if there is an event of any terrorist attack in the Northeast, tell the country that now boycott Northeast, boycott the goods of Northeast? This is the kind of people who are dividing the nation and trying to give further to the anti-national forces. And therefore, in order to send a strong message, because such an important thing which has happened, no media has picked up, no national media has even picked up this issue and generated any debate. If I would say that immediately after this tweet, the Prime Minister should have pulled up the governor. He should have been removed from the office in the best interest of the nation, to send a strong message and to vindicate what he said to the country, to the nation. कि हमारा youth उग्रवादी का खिलाफ है, कश्मीरियों का साथ नहीं. So friends, that's why the CLP has decided that we boycott the governor's address today. We will talk details after the governor's address is over. Thank you.
You mean to say that Tatagara Roy is in the wrong position to be as a first citizen?
I think I have made it abundantly clear. If a governor who is holding a constitutional position engages in this kind of narrative, what is going to happen to this nation? If next time he says that, okay, there was a bomb blast in Northeast, boycott all the goods of the Northeast, boycott all the Northeast, what is he going to ultimately achieve? He is going to achieve the agenda of all the anti-nationals who have designed to disintegrate this nation.
So will you be avoiding to take even a group photograph with him?
Obviously, when we are boycotting his address, I think I would not like to have a photograph.
With anyone who
So friends, we are with heavy heart, we would like to share our agony and anger in respect of the narrative that was generated by the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, Mr. Tatagara Roy. You must have seen his tweet, the 19th February, where immediately after the incident in Kashmir, he tweeted saying that all the Kashmiri goods should be boycotted. People should not visit Kashmir. Does it augur well for the nation when a person who is holding a constitutional post, not less than the governor of a state, can engage in this kind of message which is capable of creating a rift among